My name is Amber Coleman, and I am here to give you the dream for the hope of home ownership. So a lot of times when you're having a dream to be able to be a homeowner, you have to find a way to be able to maybe make the income to be able to do it. For the top women's originator for 2019 from the Scotsman Guide, I was ranked number 62. I remember when I decided that I was going to walk into business to do loans, I remember thinking to myself, if I'm going to do this, if I'm going to leave my house every day, if I'm going to leave my kids to do something, I'm going to do it. When I first got into business, somebody said to me, whatever your life has in store for you is what it is. Make the best of it and go with it, but do not feel guilt and let your kids feel any amount of guilt. I'm a big believer in you say what you do. So if I'm gonna say you could do whatever you put your mind to, then I better be doing it too. It's a team effort. When you have a house, there's a lot of stuff to get done. So I needed to share in the responsibilities. I needed to make sure that, that everything that we do is a teamwork effort. To be able to take your brain to limits that you've never really been able to do before helps me to be able to give more to other people.